You, as a business leader, are too busy to waste your time dealing with nonstop jealousy, infighting, squabbling, and gossiping among your staff. You need your team focused on the work, not the petty stuff that seems to consume their time more and more. They're adults. They should act that way, right? But each of those battles is costing you. They mean your employees aren't getting their work done, can't work together, and are making the workplace environment unbearable for you and everyone else. You are forced to act, but you know whatever you do is just putting a Band-Aid on the problem. It will get better for a while, and then it will rear its ugly head once again. My name is Bob Graham. I've talked to thousands of business owners. One of the biggest challenges they face time and again is making sure their employees can work together. One little fight can lead to everyone picking sides, then retaliation, gossip, bad-mouthing, which in turn leads to missed deadlines and crying and screaming, and worse. Talk about a morale buster. Bad things happen when employees can't stand to come to work each day. Just imagine what would happen if one of your key employees left because he or she was dissatisfied with your workplace. A disruption to work, overtime costs, delays and missed deadlines, the dreaded hiring process, and lost productivity as a new person is trained. And what if the new person isn't a good fit and leaves or has to be fired in the first few months? You can figure to spend between 50% and 100% of a mid-level employee or upper-level employee's salary to replace that person. That's right, you could be spending as much as 1.5 times a salary that you could be using on an additional employee to replace an employee. Ouch. Keeping your employees happy and productive is cheaper in so many ways, and most employees want to be valued and appreciated for their work. Guess what the number one complaint about managers is? They don't recognize their employees' unique strengths. But how do you build a climate where your employees actually want to work together and value each other's contributions? And if you could create this environment, how much work could they get done? How much happier would they be? Heck, how much happier would you be? Imagine the peace of mind you could have knowing that you can come to work each day and focus on work matters, not personnel and personality issues. Sounds impossible, doesn't it? But here's a solution. Emphasize your employees' strengths. I know it sounds simple, but I'm not talking about their technical strengths, that list of things you said that the employee had to know to do the job. I'm talking about soft skills, those hard-to-put-your-finger-on powerful skills that we use to deal with other people. When they are present and valued in any organization, soft skills are quite literally the glue that holds organizations together and helps them excel. Soft skills are the opposite of technical skills, which are those things that most companies focus on when hiring. Experience with software and systems, prior experience doing X, those are technical skills. Soft skills are expertise we develop over time in working with people more effectively. Soft skills cannot be easily taught. Each of us learns them in different ways and applies them in different ways depending on the situation. Examples of some soft skills are time management, listening, patience, communication skills, teamwork, leadership, and problem solving. We've uncovered a list of 55 separate soft skills, but more on that in a minute. Here's the important thing. When unleashed, soft skills can jumpstart any organization. A focus on soft skills can make any organization's employees happier, more productive, and more collaborative. And that combination is what makes your people excited to come to work each day. And that excitement is more powerful to your employees than raises and promotions, survey after survey finds. So how do you focus more on soft skills? How do you unleash soft skills in your office? Here's a 4-step process that we call the soft skills method. First, survey. Survey each employee's unique soft skills portfolio. Figure out what they are good at and what they like doing. Most people, especially managers, have never taken time to consider these powerful drivers of business success. Next, optimize. Make each employee's work responsibilities match as much as possible with their soft skills strengths. The old paradigm of responsibilities gets reworked so that the people who can do a task best are assigned to it. Third, find. When you see a gap in the soft skills your team has and what you need, exploit that knowledge by highlighting it in your next job search. That's right, look for people who have complementary soft skills, not just more of the same. And then finally, transform. Witness new productivity, creativity, collaboration, and innovation that take hold as your employees start doing what they feel best about, and see how it creates a new positive work environment that will make them and you want to come to work each day. Now, most people can't name more than a handful of soft skills. Heck, when we started this research, we couldn't name more than a few. We didn't think there were more than 10 or 20, in fact. But our cutting-edge research soon proved us wrong. We uncovered 55 soft skills. Yes, 55 soft skills. And the more we work with people and organizations on soft skills, the more we find out how valuable each one is. We've published articles on this research in academic journals, but that doesn't put this important information in the hands of the people who can benefit most from it, people like you. So we wrote a book. The 55 Soft Skills That Guide Employee and Organizational Success explains what each of the soft skills are in much more detail than we can here, and it outlines each of the 55 soft skills and how they show up in the workplace. The pages are full of explanation and inspiration. I want to send you a copy of our book so you can start putting the soft skills method to work in your office, and I want to send it to you for free. Now, you know how these deals usually work. There's a catch or something hidden in the fine print. Well, there's no catch. Just pay the shipping and handling, and the book is yours. Our book will start you on the path toward thinking about soft skills and the incredibly valuable role they play, not just in helping your employees get work done, but in making your workplace culture one that invites and encourages them to bring their best selves to work each and every day. No more petty squabbles and fights. No more hurt feelings, disagreements, and gossiping. New creativity will be sparked, as well as inspiration and productivity, as your team focuses on achieving results with their newfound approach towards work. But the first step for you is to get our book, The 55 Soft Skills That Guide Employee and Organizational Success. Again, it's free to you, just pay shipping and handling. But hurry, because we can't afford to give this book away for long. Get yours before your competition does. Click on the link to buy your book now.